Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will see how to create the website. Today we will learn to design the movie website. Okay, if you want to generate any types of the website, you can generate by the Gemini. Okay, today we will generate the website with the help of the Gemini, or you can use the Chat GPT if you have any AI software you are using, like black box AI, Gemini AI. But in this video I'm using the Gemini because I purchased the subscription of the Gemini. If you are using the Geo SIM application, Geo is provided the 18 month of the subscription of the pro version of the Gemini. Okay, so today in this video I will create a website, movie website. Okay, and in that website we will design according to the requirement. Okay, so basically in this video हम basic website will design. Okay, let's go to the Gemini. Open the Gemini, and here the is coming the tools like create image. If you want to do a create image or video you generate, so write the slash. When you write here the slash, or you can see here, so you can see the canva. Okay, when you choose here the canvas and generate a website, today in this video, uh, right here the prompt. So i want to I want to generate the movie website. Okay, and that this website will be fully responsive and attractive and attractive. In the front, first page will be so will be so 8 movie section. If and above will be so image movie preview like a trailer. Okay, and make it in the amazing style. Okay, that's it. I write the 4 lines of the prompt in the Gemini, and this will generate automatically. If you give the more beautiful prompt in the Gemini, that will be generate the website automatically, and that according to the format. I click on the enter. Once I click on enter, just wait. System will generate the website, is understanding the requirement, and here you can see he's writing the code HTML, CSS, and JS query. Okay, he will write and execute. After that, once is completed. Or you can give the website name, like if you want to give a specific name you can do it, give that. Also here you can see the website is generated. Okay, here you can see the first is a home, movie, TV show, and list. Okay, my list. And if you want to search, basically this is the link but not properly working, like a notification profile. And if you here you can see the like movie in a which format. Here this is the description. If you want to check the more information, this is the static type right now. If you want to create a dynamically, then once you click on here the trailer will run. Okay, after that you are going to below. Here is the trending movies. If you want to add any section, and also this is give the hovers of the movie section. Okay, so first here is a come 8 movie section. After that here below you can see here the watch anywhere, download. You can add the links here basically. Okay, your professional website, Like now when I click on the more info button, that will become uh, movie information page. Okay, right here the when click on the more info button, then so the the movie information with movie screenshot. So okay, let's I click on enter. Gemini will write the code and it will design and make it the clickable. Okay, so every menu, every button you can give the prompt to Gemini, he will do it. Okay, if you want to rename the website, then you can do it. Okay. So system is understanding, and here the updated the platform more information button. So it will design, and also you can see here right now is stopping because it's writing the code. If you see here, so this code you have to only copy and write in your file and design. Okay, this is a generated code. Now go to the preview. Once you are click on the preview, so see here when I click on, go back here, click. Okay, go back here. Once I click on the more info button, so okay, one page up. Once I click on here, once click on the more info button, here you can see mo- movie information. Okay, cast, director, availability. Also you can add the link in that page. Okay, here is the two pages created. Now go back here. Okay, and go back here. Now once I click on the any movie, see if I'm click on the watch now, so that information you can do it, add here. Okay, like if you want to search, you can do it. So basically you have to give the prompt to the Gemini, it will do it. Okay, now click on I want to uh, when I click on that button, watch now button, any movie section, that will load. Okay, when I click on the watch now button in the first page movie section box, then open the screen where we can watch the movie. Okay, click on enter. Now he's understanding and will do it. Or you can make it more beautiful. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can do it. Or you can host the website after that once you generate. Basically you, if you are giving the 3 to 4 hour in a one website, you can generate with a more beautiful website, and you can show in your btech project. Okay, now see, now when click on here, so this screen is coming. Okay, if any episode, any video is uploaded in the system, that will be run here. Okay, so basically I created the two page. Now also if you click here, that will be run. Okay, so this is the dummy. Okay, after that now I want to change the website name. Now I want to change the website logo and the name. name will be will be Odoo Movie. Okay, basically I give the prompt like that. So basically I give the prompt and it will be change the name and logo. Okay, just wait and see what happen here. It rename or not. Okay, he's rename the name and logo. Okay, here you can see the Odoo movie. Okay, so you can do it according to also change here. This is change everywhere. If you want to give here the link, you can do it. Okay, when I click on home button, also it's working. And when click on the movie section, it's movie section, and here is the TV show and is the my list. Okay, so now this is the workable. And if you want to see the code, so here you can see all the code of the website which is running. This is the HTML. If you give to separate the code, you also can give the prompt. If you want to copy from here and create the separate file in your module, you can do it here. Okay, so this is the script, this is the JS file, and above is the HTML and CSS file. Okay, so I hope you understand how to create the website in a quick way. So this is the quick video to create a website. Okay, thank you.